We are here in one of my favorite villages, and today we want to share a beautiful viewpoint with you in Sao Vicente that I don't know how many people have been there, but definitely something really special. So let's see, as always, what we can find.
Welcome again to our short video today. This time, we're going on a small adventure, completely off the beaten path, to a hidden viewpoint in Sao Vicente. Sao Vicente is my favorite village, and today I'll show you a quick ascent and the view from one of the small coastal mountains here in Madeira. I know only Marcio and Jorge from Madeirawonderhikes and Madeira hiking who have been here. It must have been a long time ago because the trail is no longer visible. Today, I'm joined by Sharon and Ellie from Homeoffice Madeira, the perfect accommodation for nature lovers and remote workers on Madeira. Check it out. After a short but adventurous climb, we've made it to the viewpoint. The view is absolutely stunning, with the entire coastline of Sao Vicente spread out before us. Enjoy the views. We're standing at the edge of a cliff, offering almost 360-degree views. You can see the regional road, the beautiful coastline, Ponte Delgada in the distance, the popular coastal road, and of course, Sao Vicente. It's simply incredible. Thanks for joining us on this little off-the-beaten-path adventure. Sao Vicente never fails to impress with its hidden gems. Stay tuned for more explorations and check out one of the other hikes.